Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I hope all you are safe and doing well in this pandemic. I wish everyone for good health. On behalf of the Department of Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation, Legal Desire, I welcome you all to the International Forensic Science Summit and Awards 2020. As you all know, IFCI Summit is 2 days event which included technical sessions, oral presentations, and award ceremony. We are done with the 3 sessions till now, including oral presentation of the participants and technical session. Now we are in the last session of the summit, that is IFCI Awards 2020, which are being given today to the ones who have done exemplary work in the field of forensic science, criminal investigation, and healthcare. From last 7 years, Legal Desire Media is into legal research and public policy research in over 12 main subjects, including forensic science also, and among us the global leading legal media and public policy research house covering 15 plus countries of law firms, governments, and LPOs with a global team of 150 plus. 3 years back, Legal Desire initiated the idea of Department of Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation to its research wing to explore the possibilities of to explore the possibility in forensic science for next generation criminal investigation system across the globe. Inclusion of forensic science in legal academic curriculum, conducting trainings for students, lawyers, police personnel about the crimes in investigation and evidence collection in 21st century. I am pleased to tell that the team of this department, in a few span of time, has made a remark in forensic fraternity across the globe. As we say in India, Vasudev Kutumbakam, that means world is our family. In the same direction, we are bringing the forensic experts, doctors, judicial officers, lawyers, and medical legal experts all together to discuss and debate for a roadmap to next generation criminal investigation system for a globe. I congratulate all the winner who will receive these awards today, which are our way of recognizing the exemplary efforts to the winner. Over to you, Ananya.
Thank you, sir. With the vision to be a world class institute and a world leading media and insight group, I would like to introduce the Department of Forensic Science to all of you. The Department of Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation, Legal Desire Media and Insight started in 2019. It aims to look after the Legal Desires initiative to promote forensic science in criminal investigation and inclusion in legal academic curriculum. For the same, the department regularly organizes annual international conferences, seminars, workshops, webinars, and summits at international, national, regional, and campus level. Till date, we have organized more than 20 plus such events, and we are looking forward for such more events in future. The department is strengthened by its team of global forensic experts, lawyers, doctors, and academicians. An international journal of medical legal issues and forensic, that is International Medical Legal Reporter, is also published by the department, which is a peer-reviewed international quarterly journal published by Legal Desire Media and Insight. The publication is informative for lawyers, forensic experts, judicial officers, doctors, students, and general public. The journal publishes insights and in-depth research on medical legal issues and uses of forensic in criminal justice system. The editorial board of the journal comprises of global forensic and medical legal experts. The journal is internationally indexed and acclaimed at various platforms. The Department of Forensic Science also recently launched India's first forensic science newsletter, that is the Forensic Reporter. This is a platform where you get to explore new advancements and newly introduced technologies, all the latest insights and news about forensic science, the events including upcoming conferences, workshops, summits, admission, job opportunities, all such information can be acquired from this inception. You can get judgments and case studies of various cases in this also and for academic purposes. Department of Forensic Science organized International Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation Summit and Award Advancement and Innovation in Forensic Science, tracing the journey of the interdisciplinary science in solving crime. First and the second day was a great success with an amazing panel of speakers, with a viewership of 5,000 plus for the first 3 sessions. The event aimed to explore on the current issues of exploring the challenges and innovation in the forensic science and its use in criminal investigation. The event had participants across the nation and globe with the thought-provoking plenary sessions, keynote lectures, oral presentation, and poster presentation. The summits facilitated opportunities for networking, collaboration, and exchanging of ideas with internationally renowned leaders in forensic science. It provided a platform to discuss and debate the challenges and the opportunities in the new era of optimizing forensic science research and development reformed in criminal investigation system. The International Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation aim to discuss the theme and recognize the efforts of the person and institution engaged in developing the forensic and the criminal investigation in India. On this auspicious day, we remember one of the pioneers of forensic science in India, late Dr. B.R. Sharma. Late Dr. B.R. Sharma had his basic education in chemistry. He worked for MSc Honours and PhD in Delhi University Laboratories, after obtaining his BSc Honours degree from Punjab University. Dr. Sharma, just before completion of his PhD degree, was elected as Director CID Scientific Laboratory, Punjab, at the age of 26. Dr. Sharma had been heading since then various forensic science institutions, state ESL in Punjab, Himachal, Union Territory CFSL, Gwalior and MHA, and Chandigarh, etc. He retired in September 1993. Dr. Sharma had a rigorous training in documents in Scotland and had been a teacher in forensic science for about 3 decades. His appointment includes honorary visiting professor to Punjab University, guest faculty member to Punjab University, Patiala, Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, National Institute of Criminology and Forensic Science, Central Detective Training School, and numerous zonal regional staff training colleges of various banks like SBI, PNB, Canara Bank, SBOP, PNS Bank, former NBI, etc. Dr. Sharma had done extensive research work. His researches in identification of initial digital writing, rubrics, and symbol through natural variants remain unique piece of research in document examination. He has guided doctoral thesis research. He has authored more than 100 papers, articles both in Indian and foreign journals. His work were firearm in criminal investigation and trial, bank fraud prevention and detection, foot track and trial, scientific criminal investigation, Genie against crime, etc. With this, I would like to begin the award ceremony. The first award is Dr. B.R. Sharma Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award and goes to Dr. Harsh Sharma. Dr. Harsh Sharma is attached to State Forensic Science Laboratory, Madhya Pradesh since 1982 and is currently holding the position of Director of the same, only DNA laboratory in India to have passed international US DNA proficiency. Sir has completed his PhD in 1989. He has a vast experience of 38 years as a skilled expert in forensic science, a forensic scene of crime, and he is one of the highly specialized scientists in the crime scene management. Having enormous practical knowledge in the field, Dr. Sharma has delivered various lectures in highly prestigious institutions in India and internationally and chaired various scientific sessions. Sir plays a major role in development of forensic science laboratory setup in India. He has visited approximately 4,000 scenes of crime, including homicide, suicide, accident, arson, bomb, explosions, and has helped IO in cracking numerous difficult cases of crime. Sir have also played a key role in organizing All India Forensic Science Conference. He is awarded with Meritorious Service Award by Scene of Crime Management by MHA, EET, CRS Certificate of Excellence in 2019. Among other awards and recognition, due to his excellence in crime scene management, he has been awarded commendation letters by various police departments in India. He holds a record of having 100% efficiency in solving all the rape cases within the record of 48 hours, where the accused culprit has been sentenced minimum punishment of life imprisonment and maximum death penalty. He has been honored for the achievement by State Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Sir has published various papers in international journals in the field of forensic science, along with presented various papers in conferences. He has chaired several conferences and training programs all over India. Sir is an active member of International Forensic Science Association, UK, Indian Society of Toxicology, NABL for accreditation, and DFS, Gandhinagar, and board and member of NABL.
The Best Director Award goes to Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma for his leadership in developing programs and organizing several education platforms for forensic science centered on hard work and future vision. Would you like to say some words, sir?
Actually, we want to Dr. Harsh. Dr. Harsh, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you very much
over to you.
for this recognition, and I would dedicate this award to my father, Professor Dr. P.N. Sharma. Actually, after doing my MSc in forensic science, I started job in the National Dairy Development Board initially, and I was not interested in coming back to forensics. But my father, at the time, he forced me that as you have gone in the forensic field, doing masters, so now it's your time to come and join the forensics. And from that very day, I had a passion for the crime scene investigation, and I tried my level best to solve the cases. And I'm just fortunate that when I was in MSc previous, my external was Dr. B.R. Sharma. So I'm really, really happy to receive this award. And thank you so much for giving this recognition.
Bhargav?
Yes, sir. The next award, that is Best Director Award, that goes to Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma for his leadership in developing programs and organizing several education platforms for forensic science centered on hard work and future vision. Would you like to say some words, sir?
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर अरुण कुमार शर्मा HFSL हिमाचल प्रदेश में आपके नेतृत्व एवं प्रशासनिक जिम्मेदारियों के लिए और न्यायिक विज्ञान प्रयोगशाला द्वारा सग्रम गुणवत्ता सेवा के योगदान के लिए सकारात्मक और पारदर्शी सेवा के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ निर्देशक पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Dr. Arun Kumar, sir, please address the audience.
I think there is some technical issue at our end. We can move to next.
Okay, sir. The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award, Physics Division, and goes to Dr. Mukesh Sharma.
Yes, Bhargav.
Yes, for his services concerning complex crime scene investigation as an expert and other achievements in the field of physics division based on significant research work.
Okay. प्रमाणित किया जाता है डॉक्टर मुकेश शर्मा एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल अपराध स्थल की जांच और भौतिकी विभाग के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार भौतिकी विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Dr. Mikoyas, can you hear us? Yeah. Okay, next.
Next award is Best Forensic Expert Award, Document Division, goes to Dr. Syed Ahmed.
For his services concerning complex crime and fraud investigation as an expert and other achievements in the field of document division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है डॉक्टर सईद अहमद एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल अपराध एवं धोखाधड़ी की जांच से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं दस्तावेज अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धियों के काम के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार दस्तावेज अनुसंधान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award, Chemistry Division, goes to Dr. Kavita Goel.
For her services concerning complex crime case investigation as an expert and other achievements in the field of chemistry division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर कविता गोयल एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में आपकी सेवाओं से संबंधित जटिल मामले की जांच और रसायन विज्ञान विभाग के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार रसायन विज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है। धन्यवाद मैम।
Next.
Best Forensic Expert Award, Toxicology Division, goes to Dr. Sareen Rajendra Kumar.
Dr. Sareen Rajendra Kumar for his services concerning complex case investigations as an expert and other achievements in the field of chemistry and toxicology division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर सरीन राजेंद्र कुमार एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल मामले की जांच रसायन विज्ञान और विश्व विज्ञान प्रभाग में अन्य उपलब्धियों से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार रसायन विज्ञान विश्व विज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you. Yeah.
Should I speak?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I will thank to the forum for choosing me for this award. I am working in Forensic Science Lab, Andhra Pradesh as a director. I have a passion for forensic science. That's why I again joined FSL after retiring from CFSL Hyderabad. So actually, my work is not only in toxicology, but now from the last about 10 years, I am just more of creating the facilities in the country because of the acute shortage of the proper infrastructure and manpower in the country. So I contributed in Delhi for expansion of the forensic labs, and here in Andhra Pradesh also, after the bifurcation of the state, the original building and all the manpower remained in Telangana, and new lab supposed to be set up here. From last 1.5 years, I'm on this job, and we are setting up a state-of-art forensic lab. We started already a temporary forensic cell lab here with all the latest divisions like DNA, audio, video, computer forensics. That's all I want to convey you.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations once again.
Yeah.
Next award.
The next award is Best Wildlife Forensic Expert Award and goes to Dr. S.K. Gupta.
Dr. S.K. Gupta for his services concerning complex wildlife forensic case investigation as an expert and other achievements in the division of wildlife forensic science based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर एस.के. गुप्ता एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल वन्यजीव न्यायिक मामले की जांच और वन्यजीव न्यायिक विज्ञान के विभाग में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार वन्यजीव न्यायिक विज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है.
Thank you very much. So first of all, I would like to thank Legal Desire Media and Inside for arranging such a wonderful event for 2 days, and also giving credit to all the experts in this field. So I started my career in wildlife forensics from 2002 onward, when I completed my master. And for starting point, I joined this SMB Hyderabad, Dr. Lalji Singh. So I worked with him, started my career with him, and now from Wildlife Institute of India past 12 years, I am here as a scientist and working for the wildlife forensics. And a part of it, I also do some work pertaining to conservation genetics for the conservation of wildlife species. And again, I would like to thank this platform for selecting me for this award. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Next.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award, Biology Division, goes to Dr. Braja Kishore Mahapatra.
Dr. Braja Kishore Mahapatra for his services concerning complex case investigation as an expert and other achievements in the field of biology division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर ब्रज किशोर मोहपात्रा जीव विज्ञान प्रभाग के क्षेत्र में एक विशेषज्ञ और अन्य उपलब्धियों के रूप में जटिल मामलों की जांच से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार जीव विज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है.
Next.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award, Serology Division, Dr. Surendra Kumar Pal.
Dr. Surendra Kumar Pal for his services concerning complex case investigations as an expert and other achievements in the field of serology division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार पाल सीरम विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में एक विशेषज्ञ और अन्य उपलब्धियों के रूप में जटिल मामले की जांच से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार सीरम विज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है.
Yes.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award, Forensic Psychology, goes to Dr. Asha Srivastava.
Dr. Asha Srivastava for her services concerning complex case investigation as an expert and other achievements in the field of psychology division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर आशा श्रीवास्तव एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल मामले की जांच और मनोविज्ञान प्रभाग के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और औपचारिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार मनोविज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो, ये देख रहा, मेरी टेबल आ रही है ना यहाँ पे।
Okay, I think there is some technical issue. Next.
The next award goes to, next award is Best Forensic Expert Award for the and Scientific Aid Division goes to Mr. Rakesh Bish.
For his services concerning various complex case investigations as an expert and other achievements in the field of photo and scientific divisions based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि श्री राकेश बिष्ट एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में विभिन्न जटिल मामले की जांच, फोटो और वैज्ञानिक प्रभाग के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार फोटो एंड वैज्ञानिक विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award Ballistics Division goes to Mr. Ravindra Chauhan.
Mr. Ravindra Chauhan for his services concerning complex crimes in investigations as an expert and other achievements in the field of ballistics division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि श्री रविंद्र चौहान एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल अपराध स्थल की जांच और प्रक्षेपी विभाग के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार प्रक्षेपी विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Award Digital Forensics goes to Miss Anjana K.
Ms. Anjana K for her services concerning complex cybercrime investigation as an expert and other achievements in the division of digital forensics based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि सुश्री अंजना के डिजिटल अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में एक विशेषज्ञ और अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी जटिल साइबर अपराध जांच से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार डिजिटल अनुसंधान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Hello. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
It gives me immense pleasure to receive this award. Thank you so much for the entire team of Legal Desire, especially Mr. Anuj, and all the jury members who has taken this initiative in recognizing the efforts or the expertise and the experts who are working in the field of forensic science, both in country and abroad. And I would also appreciate the efforts that you have started with the knowledge series, the summits, conference, and everything, and playing your part in spreading awareness about the forensic science and the criminal investigation. And thank you so much for this award. Thank you, Legal Desire.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations once again. Next.
The next award is Best Forensic Expert Awards, Cyber Forensics, goes to Mr. Falgun Rathod.
Mr. Falgun Rathod, for his services concerning complex cybercrime investigation as an expert and other achievements in the field of cyber forensic department based on significant
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि श्री फाल्गुन राठौड़ एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल साइबर अपराध की जांच और साइबर न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए और महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और अपराध जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार साइबर न्यायिक विज्ञान से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is Young Cyber Forensic Expert Award, goes to Mr. Shreyas Mohil.
Mr. Shreyansh Mohril, for his budding services concerning complex cybercrime investigation as an expert and other achievements in the division of cyber forensics based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है श्री श्रेयस मोहरिल साइबर फोरेंसिक के एक विशेषज्ञ और अन्य उपलब्धियों के रूप में जटिल साइबर अपराध जांच से संबंधित आपकी नवोदित सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको युवा साइबर न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
I really want to thank Legal Desire for this initiative and really want to thank all the dignitaries for nominating for this award. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Shreyas. Next.
The next award is International Forensic Expert Award, Biology Division, goes to Dr. Anna Barbaro.
Dr. Anna Barbaro, for her services concerning complex case investigation on international platforms as an expert and other achievements in the field of biology division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर अन्ना बारबेरो एक महत्वपूर्ण विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जीव विज्ञान प्रभाग के क्षेत्र में और अन्य उपलब्धियों के रूप में महत्वपूर्ण अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर जटिल मामले की जांच से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार जीव विज्ञान विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, ma'am.
Hello. It's a great pleasure for me to receive today this award. Thank you very much to Legal Desire. It's a recognition of my activity in forensic biology and especially in forensic genetics. More than 20 years activity in this field. So thank you very much for the organization of this conference and of this award. And I'm really happy to receive it today. Thank you again.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations once again. Next.
The next award is International Forensic Expert Award, DNA Division, Dr. Eugene Diorio.
Dr. Eugenio Diorio, for his services concerning complex case investigation on international platform as an expert and other achievements in the field of DNA division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉट यूजिनियो डीडियो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल मामले की जांच और डीएनए के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार डीएनए विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is International Forensic Expert Award, Ballistics Division, Mr. Mohammed Abdullah Salim Al-Shazmi.
Mr. Mohammed Abdullah Salim Al-Samshi for his services concerning complex case investigations on international platforms as an expert and other achievements in the field of ballistic division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि श्री मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला सलेम अल शमशी एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर जटिल मामले की जांच और पाक्षिकी विभाग की अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार पाक्षिकी विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, everyone. It's an honor and privilege, to be honest, to be selected for this international award. I always say, be like a clock, never stop. Okay, set goals, never settle till you reach them. If you notice, it is always important to share knowledge, whether it is from Asia to the Middle East to Africa to the West. And I salute, to be honest, the Legal Desire for arranging this summit. Anju, Mahipal, Kapil, all the team over there has done a really great job. Lastly, to be honest, I don't want to take a lot of your time. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations once again. Yes, Ananya, next.
The next award is International Forensic Expert Award, Physics Division, Mr. Zach Kowalski.
Mr. Zach Kowalski for his services concerning complex case investigation on international platforms as an expert and other achievements in the field of physics division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि श्री जैक कोवाल्स्की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर एक विशेषज्ञ के रूप में जटिल मामले की जांच और भौतिकी प्रभाग के क्षेत्र में अन्य उपलब्धियों के बारे में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए एवं महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और अपराध जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार भौतिकी विभाग से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is International Forensic Fingerprint Expert Award, goes to Mr. Frederick J. Zigan.
Frederick D. Zigan for his services concerning complex case investigations on international platforms as an expert and other achievements in the field of fingerprint division based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि फेडरिक डी जिगान आपकी सेवाओं से संबंधित जटिल मामलों की जांच के लिए अंगुली प्रतिमुद्रा प्रभाग के क्षेत्र में एक विशेषज्ञ और अन्य उपलब्धियों के रूप में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान विशेषज्ञ पुरस्कार अंगुली प्रतिमुद्रा विभाजन से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Next.
The next award is Forensic Science Institute of Year 2020, goes to Raksha Shakti University.
Raksha Shakti University for its continuous efforts in making bright platforms for young forensic aspirants and continuous motivation for students who has several education programs centered on enormous achievements.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि रक्षा शक्ति विश्वविद्यालय युवा न्यायिक विज्ञान उम्मीदवारों के लिए उज्जवल मंच बनाने के अपने निरंतर प्रयासों और कई शैक्षिक कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से छात्रों के लिए निरंतर प्रेरणा एवं अनगणित उपलब्धियों पर केंद्रित है। इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ न्यायिक विज्ञान संस्थान 2020 पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Thank you, team of Legal Desire, and thank you, jury members, for posing faith in us as an institution. It has been a great journey for Raksha Shakti University and especially School of Forensic Science and Risk Management to foray into various domains of forensic science. And it is an honor to be receiving this award on behalf of my school. I invite all the people out here, senior dignitaries and forensic servants, to join us in this journey, to join School of Forensic Science as adjunct faculty, as visiting faculties, as adjunct researchers. I would be very happy to welcome you all so that we can continue our association beyond this video platform, which we are meeting here today. Let us join our hands for progress of forensic science. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Yeah, next.
The next award is Academic Excellence Award and goes to Professor Dr. Sally Lucrose.
Professor Dr. Sally Lucrose for her outstanding vision and long-term teaching and professional excellence and other impeccable achievements in the field of forensic science based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सैली लुकोस आपकी उत्कृष्ट दृष्टि और दीर्घकालिक शिक्षण, उत्कृष्टता एवं न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में अन्य त्रुटिहीन उपलब्धियों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको शैक्षिक उत्कृष्टता पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है.
Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you to all the team of Legal Desire. I think most of, it gives me a lot of immense pleasure to see that, you all are there, and I know most of you there, and I feel so proud, though of course I have received so many awards from, on international platforms also, but then to get it from, from the same group, which I would have probably, they would have, I've taught them and I have, they've graduated under me. That gives me a lot of immense pleasure. And yes, it is an achievement for me because, my students, when they give it back to me, that, as a teacher, it can't be more, satisfying other than that. It's so wonderful to see all of you grow and bring your organization to a platform where you have such wonderful international speakers and national, achievers that you have brought in. It gives me immense pleasure to be on the same platform and to take the awards from my own students. That yes, it does make a lot of difference. I feel my journey of almost 17 to 18 years in the academic field, and then bringing it to a level where I feel my efforts have been recognized with, that does make a lot of difference to me. I take this platform also as an opportunity to tell all those forensic experts out there that please, please extend your hands to these young minds, to these young budding people there. They need your support and they need your constant backing to bring themselves into a platform where they can be recognized. And I think this is, I was telling Kapil yesterday that they are doing an amazing job and they should continue doing it and extend it further than just, Anuj, I think you're listening, and you should extend it not just to your, these webinars and conferences. From here on, you should go into thinking about getting into more, consultations related things and full-fledged laboratories. And I'm sure those experts out there, they will be always helping you out. And you can always count on me as your teacher, as your guide, and let me know whenever I can be of any help to you. Please, all of you, take care. I know you all are doing a lot of work, and I want you all to be safe. And to all the members who are present there in this particular room right now, and all those people who are watching us, take care. It's a very important time. And thank you once again, Team Legal Desire, for considering me for this award and recognizing my efforts in the academic arena. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words, and we feel immense pleasure to have mentorship of yours and others forensic experts in this room. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, Ananya.
The Excellence Award, Academic Excellence Award also goes to Dr. Sumit Kumar Chaudhary.
Dr. Sumit Kumar Chaudhary for his long-term academic and professional excellence and supervision for expansion of academics and executive development programs towards forensic science.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर सुमित कुमार चौधरी न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में शैक्षिक एवं और कार्यकारी विकास कार्यक्रमों के विस्तार के लिए आपके शैक्षणिक कार्यों की उत्कृष्टता और पर्यवेक्षण के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको शैक्षिक उत्कृष्टता पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Well, certainly I would like to thank Legal Desire team, especially Mahipal for insisting me to fill up the nominations and Ananya for informing me about this good news. I would like to thank my teachers, my mentors, Vikas Sahai sir, my first DG, and overall, my students, my fraternal colleagues, and top of all, my wife, who is also a forensic scientist. Any wife in the world could be enlightening, and even in season from forensic science, it can be most profoundly enlightening, and even the slightest of arguments will have inputs of forensics. So it helps you grow as a forensic scientist. So I would like to thank Dr. Surbhi Mathur, my wife, for all this achievements. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much, sir. Yes, Ananya.
The next award is Best Senior Faculty Award goes to Dr. G.S. Sodhi, sir.
Dr. G.S. Sodhi for his dedication as an educator, particularly in the Department of Forensic Science for almost 4 decades, based on this fulfillment as a teaching professional.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर जीएस सोडी एक शिक्षक के रूप में आपके समर्पण के लिए विशेष रूप से लगभग 4 दशकों से न्यायिक विज्ञान विभाग में एक शिक्षण पेशेवर के रूप में स्फूर्ति के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ वरिष्ठ शिक्षक पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, sir.
I'd like to express my gratitude towards Legal Desire. Thank you so much for considering me worthy of this award. I run a PG diploma course in forensic science at Delhi University, and my research interests revolve around chemical detection of latent fingerprints. And here we have innovated a few techniques to lift fingerprints from those crime scenes which are despoiled. The criminal, after committing the crime, tries to set fire on the scene or sprays water or buries his or her weapon under soil. So we try to detect fingerprints on such difficult crime scene evidence. Thank you once again for considering me for this award.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
The next award is Young Academician Award and goes to Dr. Rajiv Kumar.
Dr. Rajiv Kumar for his teaching excellence and enormous research work in forensic science.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर राजीव कुमार न्यायिक विज्ञान में अपनी शिक्षण उत्कृष्टता और विशाल शोध कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ विद्याविद पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, sir.
Thank you. It is an honor for me to receive such an award. I dedicated this award to my family members and my students. I would like to thank Mr. Anuj, Mr. Mahipal, Mr. Kapil, and all Legal Desire team members. Best of luck for your upcoming events. I hope you will continue to do your best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you for your mentorship to Legal Desire team.
Welcome. Thank you.
The next award is Best Young Faculty Award. It goes to Dr. Priyanka Kakkar.
Dr. Priyanka Kakkar for her step forward as an educator and enlightening young forensic aspirants, bottomed on this determination towards the field of forensic science.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर प्रियंका काकेर आपका एक शिक्षिका के रूप में न्यायिक विज्ञान के प्रति दृढ़ संकल्प जो कि एक प्रभुत्व युवा न्यायिक विज्ञान उम्मीदवारों के लिए प्रेरणादायी है। इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और अपराध जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको श्रेष्ठ युवा शिक्षिका पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Okay, next.
The next award is Best Women Faculty Award. It goes to Dr. Shivani R. Pandya.
Yes, Bhargav.
Dr. Shivani Pandya for her step forward as an educator and enlightening young forensic aspirants bottomed on this determination towards the field of forensic science.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर शिवानी आर पांड्या, आप एक शिक्षिका के रूप में प्रभुत्व युवा न्यायिक विज्ञान उम्मीदवारों के लिए प्रेरणादायी है, जो कि न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र के प्रति इस दृढ़ संकल्प पर आधारित है। इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ महिला शिक्षिका पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I would like to say thanks to Legal Desire and their team member and my student Bhargav and Mahipal sir, because they have given me such platform to represent myself as a faculty. And this is, a thing which is recognized by you, because I am a budding faculty in this area, and what I am taking is just because of my students, my family, and my friends. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations once again. Yes, Ananya.
The next award is Best Women Scientist Award. It goes to Dr. Vandana Vinayak.
Dr. Vandana Vinayak for her dedication in all her long-term research in the field of forensic science and particularly in the field of forensic diatomology based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर वंदना विनायक राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में और विशेष रूप से डायटोमोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में उनके सभी दीर्घकालिक शोधों से आपके समर्पण के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ महिला वैज्ञानिक पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Indeed, it's my pleasure to have myself on this particular platform. It was something new in this particular Corona timing, new for all of us to give online modules, online classes, not only in our university, but also in the conference, which I really appreciate. A very good effort done by the organizers who were all in touch with me and those who were not in touch with me also. But this is really commendable initiative taken by the budding forensic scientists. I really appreciate their work. At their own level, they organize this particular educational platform for when we all are stuck in this particular Corona timings, and still it promoted the students who were kind of, many were depressed, and it gave them motivation. Okay, just participate and prove themselves that what they know and what they can learn. It's really commendable work by the organizers, and I'm really thankful to the organizers for giving me such platform and recognizing my work also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Our next award is Young Scientist Award. Goes to Dr. Rupendra Kumari.
Dr. Rupendra Kumari for her dedication in all her long-term research in the field of forensic science and particularly in the field of analytical chemistry and toxicology based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर उपेंद्र कुमारी न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में और विशेष रूप से विश्लेषणात्मक रसायन विज्ञान और विश्व विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में आपके सभी दीर्घकालिक अनुसंधान में आपके समर्पण के लिए महत्वपूर्ण अनुसंधान कार्य के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको युवा वैज्ञानिक पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
I am honored. I'm very thankful to the jury and the team member of the Legal Desire Media and Insight. I would say forensic science fraternity was really in need of such a platform as Legal Desire put forth, like to let the contribution of all the scientists and professors and institution into the public, like other related work to the administration and everything will come into the public, but the forensic fraternity are lacking this behind. And I would say you all the team member, Anuj, Ananya, Mahipal, Kapil and Bhargav, you are doing a great job and coming up with such an idea. Anuj, applauds for you. I am very, very honored and for recognizing me, my work, my contribution. I am very, very thankful to Legal Desire Insight Media. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Congratulations once again.
The next award is Best Researcher Award goes to Dr. Bhupesh Kumar Sharma.
Dr. Bhupesh Kumar Sharma for his significant contribution for the advancement of forensic science, bottomed on the notable research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर भूपेश कुमार शर्मा न्यायिक विज्ञान की उन्नति, आपके महत्वपूर्ण योगदान एवं उल्लेखनीय शोध कार्य के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजाइन मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ शोधकर्ता पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
What do you say?
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to say congratulations to Legal Desire team to organize this event in such a pandemic time, you know, where we all have to be at the social distancing. And what I am feeling right now, that we are so close to each other. We have people from, say, around the globe. We have friends from Dubai also. I know Mr. Shamji, and congratulations to you, Mr. Shamji, that we have worked together on many research papers. And Dr. Sarilukoj is also there, and we have been colleagues here. And I can see all the experts, and this is the effort, this is the great effort of Legal Desire team. And really many, many congratulations to you. And thank you very much for appreciating my work as a Best Researcher Award. And I'm really honored to have this award from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. As I mentioned earlier that we have a concept of Vasudev Kutumbakam, like what is your family? So this is a small word, and we are here all together, and
highly appreciable work in this time. Really.
So the aim of this platform is just to give, just to provide a platform so that we all can work together. And this forensic science is not just limited to India. We all need, like across the globe, for justice delivery and for next generation criminal investigation system. This is a need of our, and we in India, we faces the problem that our judicial officers and lawyers are not equipped with the forensic knowledge. So the platform is also aims to provide to include that forensic science into legal academic curriculum, so that we can produce a good number of lawyers and upcoming judicial officers which have a good knowledge, sound knowledge of forensic science, so that when the case comes, when the forensic report or the private FSL reports comes to them, so that they have an idea like what the report says. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
The next award is Young Researcher Award goes to Dr. Surbhi Mathur.
Dr. Surbhi Mathur for her dedication in all her long-term researches in the field of forensic science based on significant research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर सुरभि माथुर न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में आपके सभी दीर्घकालिक शोधों के समर्पण के लिए महनीय शोध कार्यों के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको युवा शोधकर्ता पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
A very good evening to all the respected members of the forensic fraternity. First of all, I like to thank and congratulate the Legal Desire team for conducting such a successful conference, 2-day conference. And thank you, jury, for giving me such an award and such an honor. I would like to thank the most importantly my students who keep on pinning me and keep on irritating me with lot of questions related to forensic, which always encourage me and motivate me to do much better and better every day. I would like to thank Dr. J.M. Vyas, my mentor, who had faith in me and who have every time who have supported me to conduct a good research forensic field. My registrar, Shri C.D. Jadeja sir, and my director, Dr. S.O. Junare. Also, I would like to thank my ex-director, Dr. M.S. Daya sir. He also have encouraged us in organizing lot many research works or conferences related to forensic science. And above all, I like to thank my family and God for always having faith in me and always motivating me to go further. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations once again. Yes, sir.
The next award is Best Research Scholar Award goes to Ms. Aditi.
Miss Aditi, for her budding contribution in the advancement of forensic science centered on the ongoing research work.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि सुश्री अदिति न्यायिक विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में आपकी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका एवं आपकी उन्नति में आपका शोध कार्य सराहनीय है। इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ शोधार्थी पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. A very good evening to all the dignitaries. Thank you, Legal Desire team, for giving me the Best Researcher Award. I would like to thank Dr. Sumit Kumar Chaudhary, my guide, for supporting me in all aspects. I would also like to thank Dr. Harsh Sharma, sir, and Dr. Pankaj Srivastav, sir. Last but not least, my student Madonna Matthew for encouraging me to nominate for this award. Thank you everyone, and thank you Legal Desire team for creating such a beautiful platform for forensic science. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The next award is Junior Forensic Scientist Award goes to Mr. Rohit Kumar Verma.
Mr. Rohit Kumar Verma, for his confidence and competence towards his project and determination to not let go.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि श्री रोहित कुमार वर्मा आपकी योजना के प्रति आपके आत्मविश्वास और सक्षमता के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको कनिष्ठ न्यायिक वैज्ञानिक पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Thank you so much, Legal Desire, and special thanks to Dr. Rajiv sir for guiding me, and special thanks to Mahipal sir for supporting me. Thank you.
Congratulations, Rohit.
Thank you.
Yes, Ananya.
The next award is Young Medico Legal Doctor Award goes to Dr. Vidusha Vijay.
Dr. Vidusha Vijay, for her professional excellence in forensic medicine and giving her expertise in medico-legal responsibilities.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर विदुषा विजय न्यायिक चिकित्सा शास्त्र में आपकी पेशेवर उत्कृष्टता एवं न्यायिक चिकित्सा जिम्मेदारियों में आपकी विशेषज्ञता के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको युवा न्यायिक चिकित्सा पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Legal Desire Media, for thinking of me for this award. I'd like to thank my mentors, Dr. S. Venkatragava and Dr. Adarsh Kumar. They have always encouraged me to achieve a lot in this field. And also, I would like to thank my family, without whose support none of this would be possible. And also special thanks to Mr. Mahipal Singh and Mr. Kapil Parihar from Legal Design Media for organizing this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations once again. And thank you so much for joining in our legal knowledge series also.
Thank you.
The next award is Best Medical Legal Doctor Award goes to Professor Dr. Shiv Ratan Kochhar, sir.
Professor Dr. Shiv Ratan Kochhar for his long-term professional excellence in forensic medicine and other enormous achievements.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि डॉक्टर शिव रतन कोचर न्यायिक चिकित्सा शास्त्र एवं विश्व विज्ञान अन्य विशाल उपलब्धियों में आपके दीर्घकालिक पेशेवर उत्कृष्टता के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको सर्वश्रेष्ठ न्यायिक चिकित्सक पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Okay, next.
The next award is Cyber Firm Excellence Award, Mood Data. It goes to Mood Data Solution Private Limited.
Mood Data Solutions Private Limited for its services concerning various complex cybercrime is a reputed firm with a brilliant team in very short duration based on its outstanding achievement.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि मूड डेटा सॉल्यूशंस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड बहुत ही कम अवधि में एक शानदार टीम के साथ एक प्रतिष्ठित फर्म के रूप में विभिन्न जटिल अपराध साइबर अपराध से संबंधित आपकी सेवाओं के लिए इस उत्कृष्ट उपलब्धि के आधार पर इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और आपराधिक जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको उत्कृष्ट साइबर फर्म पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Okay, next.
The last award for this session is COVID-19 Healthcare Excellence Award goes to Subharti Group of Hospital and Institution.
Subharti Group of Hospital and Institution for the selfless act of kindness and care during this worldwide pandemic of COVID-19 based on determination and willingness to be on the front line.
प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि शुभ भारती ग्रुप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल एवं इंस्टीट्यूशन कोविड-19 के इस विश्वव्यापी महामारी के दौरान दयालुता एवं देखभाल के लिए अपने निस्वार्थ कार्य एवं दृढ़ संकल्प के लिए इस न्यायिक विज्ञान और अपराध जांच विभाग लीगल डिजायर मीडिया एंड इनसाइट्स की अनुशंसा पर आज आपको उत्कृष्ट कोविड-19 हेल्थ केयर पुरस्कार से अलंकृत किया जाता है।
Yes, Ananya.
With this, we end our award ceremony. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you for joining us. I would like to invite Mr. Mahipal Singh Sakla, General Manager, Department of Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation, Legal Desire Media, for giving the concluding remarks.
Thank you so much for a dignitary. I congratulate all the winners who will receive this award, which are our way of recognizing the exemplary efforts of the winner. We are thankful to our contributor and effort. Being a general manager of Department of Forensic Science and Criminal Investigation, I assure you all the we shall keep contributing our part by way research, training and resource support to Globe Forensic Fraternity for next generation criminal investigation system for justice delivery. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us for this session. And we hope that we are just a young platform and a team of young forensic enthusiasts. And we all need your blessings, wishes, and support and your mentorship so that the aim and vision of this department, that is to provide a platform to the young forensic professionals and to find out the possibilities about how we can use the forensic science and the different branches of forensic science for next generation criminal investigation system. And we all need your support, and we hope that we'll get the same from you and all the forensics community. Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations once again.